In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your location in PayPal. If you use PayPal Me to receive payments, you may want a little more privacy when sharing your link. One simple setting can help prevent your location from being shown. And the good news is that it only takes a moment to update. I'll walk you through exactly where to find that option and how to save the change properly so it sticks. To begin, make sure you're signed into your PayPal account and you're on your account summary page. Once you're there, look toward the top area of the screen for the gear icon. This is the settings button. Go ahead and click the gear icon to open your account settings. This section contains several profile and account options, so if your screen looks a little busy, that's completely normal. After the settings page opens, find the PayPal.me section. Next to your PayPal Me link, you should see a button labeled Manage. Click on Manage to open the settings related specifically to your PayPal.me profile. This is where PayPal lets you control certain details that may appear when someone views your payment link. Once you're in that area, look for the option that says, "Don't show my location." Select that option. This tells PayPal not to display your location information on your PayPal@me page. If privacy is your goal, this is the key step in the process, so make sure that option is clearly selected before moving on. After that, click Save. This is important because if you leave the page without saving, your change may not be applied. Once you click Save, your updated location preference should be stored on your account. And that's it, your PayPal Me location visibility setting has now been updated. As a quick tip, after saving, it can be helpful to stay on the page for a second and visually confirm that the setting remains selected. That gives you peace of mind that the change was successfully applied. If you don't immediately see the exact wording or layout shown here, keep in mind that PayPal occasionally updates its interface, but the general path is usually the same. Settings, PayPal.me management, location visibility, and save. This is a small adjustment, but it can make a meaningful difference if you want more control over what other people see when using your PayPal.me link. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.